Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. So here is a bit, fewer changes compared to recent few sessions. Today on euro and the Great British pound we have more interesting steps. On the gold market we have to mention a couple of moments. First of all, this market still strongly overbought. You could see what's going on. It's not going higher, it's mostly moving sideways, and in today's session it's already stands near overbought, so it's already not at overbought but still very close. Overall performance, I would call it as a bullish. It's just because if something really changing in sentiment of the market, in anticipation of the coming events or something, usually reversal stands sharper and faster. So at least market should start showing something of this manner. But if market stubbornly stands even when it's at overbought near the resistance and shows sideways action, it's mostly bullish. It's preparation to the next upward action when the gold will have the chance and will pressure from the overbought will not be as strong. So currently we're talking about on the technical moments, and it could continue upward action. Speaking about overall fundamental background, political background, it seems that something is going on. So it's multiple negotiations. So as you know that everybody already have talked to everybody. So Blinken has met with the Netanyahu in Israel, with the Prince of Saudi Arabia. Some negotiations already have happened with Iran. So Putin also will have talked with everybody in this region. And it seems that, Israel is taking on pause their land operation in Gaza. So it means that maybe some agreements already have been achieved. Besides, indirect sign that probably everything is moving to some agreement is that United States has deblocked the 10 billions of the Iran reserves and move them to the Qatar, where the Iran will be able to use it. So probably something has been discussed, but on the gold market we do not see yet this relief. So either some other factors hold gold and near the top. Maybe investors now start watching once again on the problems in the United States economy and with the debt. But despite that, it seems that some relief of the tensions have happened recently. You do not see any reaction on the gold. On the 4-hour time frame chart, market mostly is forming the pennant. And pennant actually, as you know, is classical bullish continuation pattern. But the traded is not very simple. It's just because market still stands at the overbought. If you will take the position right there, its potential to the upside will not be very significant. So, and it's a question of what to do, because its market could, for instance, we could wait for a bit more when the market will keep coiling here, when the overbought will step up, and then it will be possible to take the position. Maybe it makes sense to split the position and see what will happen next. Whatever you would like to do, in what direction you would like to trade, you will have to deal with this triangle performance. In particular speaking, if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, here's, by the way, the same levels that we already discussed in the in the weekly report. On the hourly chart, you could see that our bread bottom has worked perfectly. So market has tested first level, bounced up above the 618. So that's the minor pattern that we discussed in the weekly report. This already has been done. Now, with this performance, you could act differently. Appearing of the pattern here, it's definitely not in favor of the bearish context. That's why if you would like to take the short position on gold, you will have to get some clear confirmation that market is reversing down, or maybe, I do not know, it will be a bit risky, but you, for example, could try to use some stop selling orders, not limit orders, but stop kind of orders. So for example, if markets start dropping below these lows, you could try to place the stop sell around 1910. And if something will change in the sentiment of the market, some collapse will happen, you will step in. Because I suspect that if bearish reversal suddenly happens here, it will be very fast, since overall situation looks, technical picture looks really bullish. If you would like to take the long position, your major problem right now is overbought around 1930. So potentially you could keep watching for this pennant, even trying to take the long position with the stop somewhere below these lows. Maybe it will be some butterfly pattern to the upside. But you will have to think in advance what you're gonna do when the market will hit the overbought once again. Whether you're out, or maybe you will just tight your stop and sit on the hands and see what will happen. So that's the management decision that you will have to make. That's actually our 2 cents on the gold.